Welcome to Miller Online Tutorial. Now before us is this question in probability, and it's true that a fair die is thrown once. Okay, what is the probability of getting? Then question A is a 3 and question B a prime number. Okay, now first of all, what is probability? Now probability is the chance that an event will happen. Okay, and two things that we always consider while looking into the problem of probability is the total outcome of the event and the successful outcome of the event. Okay, so now since we are using a die, I've drawn a die here. So what will be the total outcome, okay, of a die? So the total outcome of a die is the number on this die, which means when you throw this die, okay, once, is either you get a 1, you get a 2, you get a 3, you get a 4, you get a 5, or you get a 6. So which means the total outcome now for this die when you throw it once, okay, as in the total outcome rather is either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is the total outcome that you can get on a die. Okay, now probability in itself has a formula which says that the successful outcome, that is the number of successful outcome, then all over number of the total outcome. Total. Okay, so we need to look at the successful outcome and the total outcome. Now here we know that this is the total outcome of any die. Okay, now the successful outcome now here is 3. Okay, so probability of getting a 3. Okay, so if we throw a die once now, okay, what is the chance that we get a 3? Now here we have 3, 1, okay, 1, 3, which means we can only get 3 once when we throw a die. Okay, so the probability of getting a 3 from a die being thrown once is now 1, which is the successful outcome. Then all over the total outcome of a die is what? 6. So the probability of getting a 3 is what? 1 all over 6. Okay, the next one, probability of getting a prime number. Okay, now what are prime numbers? Now prime numbers are those numbers that has only 2 factors. And what are the 2 factors? 1 and itself. Okay, so in this case now we have 1, 2, and 5. So these are the prime numbers. 2, 3, and 5 are the prime numbers in this set. Okay, now what is now the probability, okay, that we will get a prime number when a die is thrown once? So now what are the prime numbers here? 1, 2, 3. So it means that when you throw a die once, you can either get this, or you can get this, or you can get this as the prime number. So what is now the successful outcome? The successful outcome is 1 is either you get this, you get this, you get it, which means what? It is 3, okay, out of the total. So here you have what? 3, which is the successful outcome, which means you can either get this, you can get 2, you can get 3, you can get 5. So which means it is 3, then the total outcome 6. Now simplifying this, 3 here 1, 3 here 2, so 1 all over 2. Thank you and God bless you.